In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget Wallet to Bitget Exchange. First, open your Bitget Wallet app and make sure you're logged in with the same account you use on the Bitget Exchange. Check that you have enough USDT and a little extra crypto for network fees, depending on the chain you're using. Now, on a separate device or in another app, open the Bitget Exchange. Go to Assets or Deposit, select USDT, then choose the network you want to use, like TRC20 or ERC20. Copy the deposit address shown on Bitget. This is where your USDT will be sent. Go back to Bitget Wallet, select USDT, and tap Send or Transfer. Paste the Bitget deposit address, choose the same network you selected on the exchange, then enter the amount of USDT you want to move. Double-check the address, network, and fee, then confirm the transaction. After sending, return to the Bitget Exchange and check your deposit history. Your USDT should appear on the exchange once the transaction is confirmed on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.